Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials. iPhone 16 has current iOS, and you can open settings. First, swipe to Control Center to check volume and silent mode. Once done, unlock and open settings. Make sure Face ID or passcode is ready because some changes require confirmation. Now go to Sounds and Haptics immediately and observe keyboard clicks. This checks whether clicks are enabled before we toggle system and accessibility features to silence typing sounds for all apps. You'll now disable keyboard clicks. In Settings, Sounds and Haptics, turn off keyboard clicks and reduce system haptics if desired. Next, lower the overall volume using side buttons or Control Center so system beeps are quieter. Make sure sound effects are off to suppress extra UI noises. Then open Accessibility Touch to confirm no interaction feedback is set to play sounds. These steps silence both system and keyboard-specific audio across apps and the lock screen. Finish by restarting your iPhone 16 to ensure changes apply everywhere. A reboot often clears lingering audio. If you still hear keyboard sounds, inspect any third-party keyboard app settings and disable their sound toggles. Make sure focus modes or automations aren't re-enabling sounds. If problems persist, perform settings general transfer or reset all settings. This returns preferences without erasing data. One troubleshooting tip. If audio continues, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.